Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chrysler 300 bumper. First, let's prepare for the task. You'll need a basic socket set, a trim removal tool, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have your new bumper cover ready, along with any new clips or mounting hardware. Always work on a level surface and engage your parking brake to ensure safety throughout the process. This preparation makes the entire replacement much smoother. Now let's get that old bumper off. Begin by locating and removing all the screws and plastic clips that hold the bumper to the fender liners and undercarriage. There are typically around 10 to 15 fasteners. Next, if your vehicle has fog lights or parking sensors, carefully disconnect their electrical connectors. With all fasteners and connections free, gently pull the bumper cover straight off the vehicle, releasing it from its side clips. With the old bumper removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new bumper cover with the vehicle's mounting points. Gently push it into place, ensuring all the clips engage properly. Reconnect any electrical components like fog lights or parking sensors. These usually click right back in. Finally, reinsert all the screws and plastic clips you removed earlier, making sure the bumper is firmly secured around the entire perimeter. You're almost done. Before you call it a day, perform a thorough final inspection. Double-check every screw and clip to ensure the new bumper is perfectly secure and aligned. Test your fog lights and any parking sensors to confirm they are working properly. Finally, give your new bumper and the surrounding areas a quick clean. This simple process can save you hundreds of dollars compared to a body shop, and it's quite satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.